Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Telegram. So keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open your Telegram application from your app drawer. As soon as you do that, you'll see this kind of an interface. Tap on Start Messaging. Now go ahead and type in your phone number that is registered for your Telegram account. Make sure to type in the correct phone number since you'll be receiving an SMS code in order to activate your account. Tap on the next button at the bottom right after you're done typing in your phone number. Wait for the SMS code to be sent to your phone number. Once you receive it, simply copy the code, paste it into the text boxes and tap Next. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to your home page for Telegram, which looks like this. That is all you'll need to do in order to log into your Telegram account. All you need is a phone number that you have an access to and you're good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.